Hey guys, and welcome back to a game called The Cook. Now, I have made a video about this, and let's do it again. I promise you that I will make more of this game, so let's get right into it. Alright, now, it wasn't very much news, it isn't very much news to tell you guys, because it's early in the morning right now. I have woken up just in 1 hour ago, and I thought of doing a video right here to you guys. So let's enjoy the video. Alright, like always, we're cooking. Yes, I don't want to say it 100 times, but I'll say it again. I had told you numerous times that I had graduated the food industry, so cooking is like my kind of thing. I really like cooking. I'm a home cook in my house, and yeah. Alright, like always, we'll go through the day. Yes, we'll go through one single day. Alright. She wants a smoothie, but without mushrooms. I'm paying more attention. Right. Like, the most disgusting smoothie that I have ever got was like this very disgusting. Like, oh my goodness. Imagine drinking pure potato juice. Yes, grinded potatoes and drinking it like this. My goodness, that was the most awful, the most disgusting thing that I have ever tasted. But guess what? It actually is very healthy for you, for your immune system, that is. So that is the most disgusting thing that I have ever tasted. Waffles, yes, I do like waffles a lot, but I don't remember what was the last time that I ate waffles or even made waffles. I'm looking forward to making more of these kinds of foods. So yeah, we never put candy corn because candy corn is disgusting for me, honestly. It's really disgusting. But this guy loved it. Like, candy corn is like... It's disgusting, it's one of the main decorations for Halloween, but it's a no-go for me. It's definitely a no-go for me. So yeah. Alright. Let's make like a fruit salad here. Celery, salad, apples, and kiwi. There you go. Let's put in pink sauce as well because it's very delicious. Alright, munch it down. He loved it! Yay! Alright, I'm not as enthusiastic as I was in the last episode. Last time I always died in laughter because I was laughing too much, like I have consumed a whole gallon of laughing gas. But I didn't. Okay, this guy wants a stew with carrots. Let's put mushrooms, why not? And radish. Yes, radish. I don't really use radish that much, but why not? We can put in some, because we are rarely using that item. I still might feel a bit like unwoken because I did my exercises in the morning, but I'm still feeling a bit sleepy. It's a normal thing in the morning, it's a really normal thing. Yay, he liked it. Alright. Alright, some gems. Thank you very much. Okay, you need a salad without onions. Like I mentioned, I have no idea how you can make a salad with onions because they will, like, I don't know, it will be really disgusting. But let's make a fruit salad with oranges, apples, and strawberries because we didn't use strawberries very much. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, put it in. fruits because we have to stay healthy and natural. Now I'm really sorry because of the background noises because there are some neighbors here and etc. Yay, a baker! That laugh always gets me. I don't know why, but it always gets me. Alright, he wants a pie. Ooh, let's make a pie. Pears and kiwis. And oranges, why not? Very delicious fruit pie. Okay, let's chop, chop, chop. There you go. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, now the dough. Bam. We're just soaking the fruits. Okay, now I didn't really know how to make pie, so I thought that I had to hold and boom, burned. Not the most beautiful thing ever. Definitely not the most beautiful. Because it is burned. Tastes bad. I can tell you it tastes bad. Alright, now delivery, bam, middle like always, money. Okay, you wanna buy? Okay, let's not mess up this time. Okay, let's not mess up. Let's make bananas and apples with oranges. There you go. Very beautiful looking. Let's put in the dough. And then let's bake it. Now, it will not be perfect, but it will be good because I have to time it just right. Boom. Great. Well, it's great actually. Not perfect, but great. I still count it as good. There you go, ma'am. She loved it. Yeah, that's why you bake pies. Boom. New tableware. Really good. Really good indeed. Okay, smoothie. Ooh. She doesn't want cucumbers and mushrooms. Let's put kiwis, oranges, and watermelon. Why not? We can put it in there. Slice. Like always. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Very beautiful. OMG! Whoa! That's perfect. It has this a bit like reddish color because of the watermelon. But it's cool. It's really cool. You just have to mix the flavors with sweet and sour because it's really delicious. Sweet and sour is delicious. One customer didn't really appreciate my artwork, but mistakes are made. It's normal. Okay, he wants a pie without apples. I mean, like, who doesn't want an apple pie, man? Let's throw in some cheese and onions together with tomatoes because we don't use cheese very much. Right, good. I actually like pies with cheese. There is like this. I've been in a restaurant, in a Georgian restaurant, and there was like this really delicious cheese pie. I don't remember the name. Oh yeah, it's named khachapuri. It's very delicious. I really liked it. Munch it. Oh, he didn't really approve. Oh yes, it was the onions that he didn't like. Oh, that's so silly and so messed up. Like, I know onions make you cry, but imagine. Well, a lot of people don't like pies, but it's a normal thing. Let's make a fruit salad. There you go. When I was in the food industry, I got this really awesome recipe. Like, there is like a fruit salad with champagne. Yes, you make a fruit salad and you pour champagne on it. and you eat it. Very delicious thing. I would recommend you guys. Very delicious. This doesn't need any spices. I was thinking of going with herbs, but nah. It's good with normal. Stay healthy. There you go. He liked it. Boom. Alright, alright. What you want, ma'am? Okay. Let's make apple pie. Why not? Apple pie. You can never go wrong with apples because they're delicious. And let's throw in some watermelons as well. Alright, very delicious looking. Very good. Perfect. Now the dough. I think apples and watermelons are a great combination. Yes, it is a great combination. Pardon my English, it's great. There you go. Apple pie with watermelons. She appreciates it. Nice. What I do like is apple pie with ice cream. Now that is the most delicious thing that I have ever tasted. Really good. Really liked it. Smoothie. There has to be celery and carrots. Alright, celery and carrots. There you go. Let's throw in one apple just for the sourness. You can never go wrong with apples. Right, throw them in. Blend. It has this like faded greenish yellowish color. So yeah, there you go, sir. And we are almost done. Yeah, we're done. So thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate your support. I hope you really like my content. Like, comment, subscribe. And I love you like my fans. Peace!